Here's a 400 word script, narration ready, introducing the 2025 Kia Macron K4, blending design flair, tech innovation, and driving appeal. Opening shot, exterior of 2025 Kia Macron K4, narrator, voiceover. Meet the all-new 2025 Kia K4, a bold reinvention of the compact sedan, designed to make a statement where others settle for ordinary. Cut to fastback silhouette and LED lighting, with its sleek fastback roofline, wide stance, and hidden cup-pillar door handles. The K4 stretches the boundaries of its class with a look that's both athletic and refined, a hallmark of Kia's opposites unite a design philosophy. Its striking vertical LED headlights and taillights add visual drama inspired by flagship models like the EV9. Interior, expansive cabin and digital display. Step inside and you're greeted by nearly 30 inches of digital display, a first in this segment. Emerging infotainment, gauges, and camera feeds in a crisp, seamless presentation. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, while higher trims offer amenities like digital Kia Macron 2.0, premium Harman Kardon audio, heated and ventilated front seats, and even a wide panoramic sunroof. Interior, rear space and comfort. But it's not just tech that impresses. Rear seat passengers enjoy class-leading legroom and headroom, at 38 inches and 37.3 inches respectively, making this compact car feel surprisingly roomy. Cut to safety features and ADAS displays. Kia brings confidence to the drive with up to 29 advanced driver assistance features. Standard systems include emergency braking, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise control with Stop Ego. Optional upgrades extend to 360 surround view, blind spot view monitor, and even evasive steering assist, a hallmarks of truly dynamic safety response. Powertrain, engine visuals, GT-aligned turbo badge. Under the hood, you can choose from two engines, a 147 horsepower 2.0-liter base or a punchy 190 horsepower 1.6-liter turbo and the GT Line Turbo. The turbocharged version couples an 8-speed automatic with an engaging multi-link rear suspension and paddle shifters, delivering spirited performance and road-holding precision. Cut to driving shot and price reveal. All of this comes at a competitive price point, starting around $21,990, making the K4 a compelling value proposition with standout styling, high-end tech, and solid warranty coverage. Final shot, K4 parked against scenic backdrop. In a market leaning toward SUVs, the 2025 Kia Macron K4 reaffirms that compact sedans can be bold, smart, and spacious, all wrapped in a distinctive package that redefines expectations. Kia isn't just replacing the Forte, they're redefining the segment. Narrator, closing, the 2025 Kia Macron K4, compact reimagined. Let me know if you'd like dialogue revisions, scene breakdowns, or a different tone.